if you fail to change your skin tone by using that cream, and I will give you money back, no doubt.
Chal jhoota.
I'm overconfident. I am 100% confident about my product, about the quality of my product.
If you put in this cream, you will be so beautiful, so elegant, just looking like a wow. আমাদের সাদ্দাম স্যার একটা রোল হচ্ছে প্লে করবে একটা ক্রিম বিক্রি করে সেটা হচ্ছে হোয়াইট ক্রিম যারা হচ্ছে কালো আছে তারা হচ্ছে সুন্দর হয়ে যায় একটা ক্রিম বিক্রি করবে সেটা ইংলিশ এবং সিম্পল ইংলিশ হবে সবাই যাতে ক্যাচ করতে পারে এবং আপনি দেখবেন একটা টপিকে কিভাবে কথা বলতে হয়
বলবো আপনি বলতে বলেছেন অবশ্যই বলবো
Hello ladies and gentlemen. Yes sir. How are you today? First of all, I'd like to say sorry to you because I am here to disturb you. I am here to kill some of your few moments. So let me introduce myself. I am Saddam Sarkar Sohel. Today I have come here for a special reason. I have come here with a beauty cream. I know nowadays people are very conscious about their beauty, right? Yes. And you are old enough how you can be smart, how you can make your skin tone very beautiful, very nice. So you are old enough. So the cream is really stunning, is really wonderful. It will be very effective for you. First of all, I'd like to inform you the name of the cream. The name of the cream is Rahat's Beauty Cream. And I'm very much sure some of you have already known the name of the cream because we have been selling this cream for many years in our country and different parts of the world, right? And we have achieved a great reputation from many people from many countries, and it has been a brand now. But if you haven't heard the name of this cream, you're really unlucky. But today I think you will be able to understand everything about the cream, and I'm very sure I have a lot of confidence for you, and you are going to purchase that cream for me. Okay, will you purchase that cream from me? Yes, sir. Just this is a question, but first of all, I would like to describe all the facilities of that cream. Okay, I have already shared the name of the cream. The name of the cream is Rahat's Beauty Cream, and I think this cream is really great, and it is better than any other beauty creams of our country and even different parts of the world. And there are many reasons why I firmly believe that this cream is really beneficial, is really effective. The main reason is that, there are many creams in the market, but if you want to use that cream, you need enough time to change your skin tone. So if you are black, undoubtedly you want to be fair. And if you would like to change your skin tone and by using these types of conventional creams, and you need more than 6 months or 1 year. After using 6 months or 1 year, you will be able to change your skin tone. But if you use this cream, and I think you will need only 1 month to change your skin tone. No matter you are black, right, you are ugly, but if you can make sure you have been using that cream for only 1 month, undoubtedly you will be able to change your skin tone. Secondly, another prominent reason why I am really sure, why I am pretty sure about the quality of that cream is that the way this cream has been prepared is really stunning, is really authentic, because any harmful chemical hasn't been used to prepare this cream. So I can give you a written guarantee, if you can use this cream, you won't have any side effect. You won't have any bad impact after using this cream. So I think this is a great feature of that cream, because most of the creams of the market have some drawbacks and have some side effect. So you are very unsure about using those creams. So as I am giving you a written guarantee to use that cream, so you can purchase that cream from me undoubtedly, without any doubt. Secondly, another great feature which I shouldn't forget to mention here is that, and that is this cream has been prepared for every people, no matter how old you are, maybe you are 30, you are 40, you are 50, you are 20, no matter. Your ages don't matter about using that cream. So this cream can be used by any people. For example, you are married, you have been married for many years, but you want to persuade another girl for spending some quality time. So undoubtedly you will focus on improving your skin tone, but you're 40, right? You're 40 now. So I think you are scared of using that cream because I have grown older, so should I use that cream or not? But you can undoubtedly use that cream, whether you are 40, whether you are 50, whether you are 15, no matter. So now there are some creams and which are forbidden, which are prohibited to use by the young people, but this cream has been prepared for all kind of people. So you are free, you have the liberty to use that cream, and no doubt you will get a positive feedback after using that cream. So now let me share something about the price of the cream. And you know, if you would like to purchase that cream from a market, from a reputed market, and the price might vary. I think if you would like to buy one piece of that cream, you have to spend 1,000 taka. Let me finish. The story hasn't finished yet. And if you would like to purchase this medicine from Jamuna Future Park or Bosundara Shopping Complex, and you have to pay more than 1,000. More than 1,000, right? So I have shared the price of our local market. But for today, only for today, as this is the holy month of Ramadan, right? And I would like to decrease the price of that product, because I think it is a very nice idea to sell every products, every necessary things in a cheap rate, especially in the holy month of Ramadan. So comparing this situation, and for today, I would like to sell this beauty cream only by 300 taka per piece. Are you happy? Do you want me to decrease the price somewhat?
Yes, sir.
You are not poor enough, right? You are rich enough, and you are capable of buying this beauty cream with 300 taka. And there is another thing which I need to share is that, and if you fail to change your skin tone by using that cream, and I will give you money back, no doubt. I'm overconfident. I am 100% confident about my product, about the quality of my product. You should also suggest your friends and family members to use that cream.
If you put in this cream, you will be so beautiful, so elegant, just looking like a wow. So আমরা আসলে মজা করেও অনেক কিছু শেখা যায়। আপনি ধরেন কোনো একটা টপিকে মজা করে আপনি বলতে পারেন, এটা আসলে ডিপেন্ড করে আপনার উপর, আপনি কিভাবে বলবেন।